Dear students, today we are going to study about scope resolution operator. So, scope, what is scope? Visibility or availability of variable in a program is called as scopes. There are two types of scopes, local scope and global scopes. What is local scope? The visibility of a variable in local to function in which it is declared. This is called as local scope. And what about the global scope? Visibility of a variable to all functions of a program is called as global scope. Now this scope resolution operator in C++ we are denoting by this two columns. Okay. Now this theory part we can better understand by some practical example. Now see here, this is one of the small program. Here the integer functions we have denoted by a. This is the variable, right? Now after curly bracket open, we have again defined this integer function by a, means same variable we have used for two different data. Now how we can access this same variable with two different data? Now this portion is called as local, where this is global, right? This is portion is called as local and this is total global. Now we know that this is the cout. This a will only access the local data. This a will not access this global data. Okay, but this a will access the globally data. So why? Because we have mentioned here the scope resolutor. That's why this a will access this data, but this a will not access this data. So the output of this program, we will get local a equal to 1 and global a equal to 5. This will be the output of this. Suppose in case if we have removed this scope resolutor from here, so what will be the output? The output will be 1 and 1 only if we have removed this scope resolutor. So I think that you have understand this better about what is the scope resolutor. Scope resolutor can access, if we add this scope resolutor, it can access data from total program, whereas if we have not mentioned this, then it will access only locally. Okay, thank you for watching this video.